Welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to claim your Hamster coins to your Bybit account. Alright, without wasting time, let's head on to Hamster to see how it is done. Now, we are in Hamster. So we'll click on this area that says airdrop, which is in this under here. You click on the airdrop and open it. Okay, scroll up and then you see available options to deposit your crypto or to withdraw. Here you have Binance, here you have OKS, and here you have Bybit, you have wallet in Telegram, you have EBI, and you have on-chain. If you are in Nigeria, I would advise you to use only these two options, Binance and Bybit. OKS has already exited Nigeria, and from what I heard, using Telegram wallet is a bit difficult to collect your coins when it is launched. Then I have not used EBI. I don't think it's even available in Nigeria. So it's better for you to use those two options, Binance and Bybit. So, but for the sake of today's lesson, we're going to be looking at Bybit. Now that you have seen the available options, now click on Bybit Exchange. Okay, and it says, do you have an Bybit account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive HMSTR. And it says no, let's create it. And the other one says yes, I have it. If you don't have a Bybit account, then you will use this. But if you already have a Bybit account, especially a verified one, because the options just say this account has to be verified. If it is verified, you pick this option. So let's click on yes, I have it, because I already have a Bybit account. So now that I have clicked on this, I will now go to Bybit. So let's see. All right, this is Bybit. So on getting to Bybit, this is what we're going to do. We're going to click on deposit. Okay, so click it and pick deposit crypto, because what we're bringing in here is crypto, not fiat money. Okay, so click on deposit crypto, and after that we'll click the search box and type in HMSTR. Can you see it now? HMSTR is here, so just click it and open it. All right, and it says make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdrawals from. So there is only one available option here as the network, which is Ton. So we're going to click on Ton. All right, and it says to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the HMSTR deposit address and HMSTR deposit memo tag when making a deposit. Failure to do so may result in loss of funds. Please confirm that you are depositing HMSTR to the address on the Ton network. Mismatched address information may result in the permanent loss of your assets. Please fill in both the deposit address and the tag memo correctly when depositing HMSTR. Otherwise, your funds will be lost and cannot be recovered. So click on OK. And now here are what you have. Number one here is your deposit address. Why this is your memo or tag. So let's first of all copy the deposit address and go back to Hamster. So copy the deposit address and return back to Hamster. Here is where you paste the deposit address. Alright, and then we'll go back to collect our memo. So we'll click on the memo and go back again and paste it into this place. Memo. Now here is your Bybit UID. So we'll go back to Bybit to collect our UID. So on getting to Bybit, we'll click on this area where you have something like a human head. You click and open it. Okay, good. So here is where you have your ID in this area. So you click to collect. Good, successfully collected. So return back to Bybit and paste it in this area. Open now. Okay, good. So that is it. So after doing all that, you simply click on save and choose. But I think that's supposed to be save and close. So you click on that and you are done with everything. That is how you are going to add your coin, withdraw your coin, your Hamster coin from your Hamster to Bybit. So far, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button so that you keep getting our update each time we publish new video. And if you think that this video is helpful to you, kindly like it and share it with your friends. Thank you, and I see you again in our next video.